my name is Naya and we're here at Excel at Math. Today's concept is going to be finding the y-intercept from an equation in standard form. So what standard form, you may ask? That is the equation ax plus by equals c. Now that's what this format is in. The c is over here, a and b. And typically, when solving for the y-intercept, we change from standard form to slope-intercept form. And slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Now, in this case, m is your slope, and b is what we're focusing on today, is your y-intercept. So let's start with the equation. I'm going to rewrite it out over here so I have room to do work. Now, we're going to move this stuff over to try to get the y by itself to get to this form, slope-intercept form. So I'm going to start with subtracting 2x to get it to this side. What you do to one side, you always do to the other side. And what this does is this will cancel out the 2x. And so we will rewrite this as negative 20 minus 2x equals 4y. Alrighty, now that we're here, we need still to get this y by itself. Right now we have the 4. So we're going to divide by 4. And what you do to one side, you got to do to the other side. So divide by 4 here and divide by 4 here, both terms. And what this gives you, negative 20 divided by 4 is negative 5. And then this one, negative 2 over 4. 2 over 4 simplifies to 1/2. So 1 over 2x equals y. That 4 cancels. And now that we have it in this form, we have it in our slope-intercept form, our b is going to be this one because the slope has the x connected to it. So negative 5 is our y-intercept. There we go. See you guys next time.